The first thing to do in order to use the Shule Nzuri app is to download the app and install it. And there are two ways to go about it. The first way is to use Google Play Store app on your phone. So on your Android phone, just click on Play Store and then in the search window type Shule Nzuri and search. So the Shule Nzuri app is displayed at the top there. Okay, so Shule Nzuri Global Messaging Services Limited. So you click on it, it will take you to the Shule Nzuri app page on Play Store, and it gives you the option for installing the app. So just click on install. The size of the app is about 1.3 megabytes, so it will be downloaded and installed automatically on your phone. Now the second option of installing the Shule Nzuri app is if you have received this link. It's a bit.ly link, maybe a friend has sent it to you via WhatsApp. Then you just click on the link. It will take you straight to Google Play Store Shule Nzuri app page. Here we don't see the option for installing because we've just installed the Shule Nzuri app. So once you install the app, the next thing is to register. In the next video, we're going to see how to register with Shule Nzuri.